one of the most well-known anti-aging factors, one of the most well-known anti-aging products that we have in our skincare routines these days is a retin-A, retinol, retinoid, retinaldehyde you blend, if you will. You've got to have a retin product in your skincare, and I love this one by The Ordinary. This is a Granactive Retinoid, 5% in squalane. It is highly stable, water-free solution. It has a 0.5 ester of all trans retinoic acid. So the fact that they put this in the squalane, a lot of times people have some problems when they start using retin-A products, retinol products, etc. And the squalane usually helps with the moisturization. So The Ordinary, this is a fantastic starter product. If you have not started your retin-A yet, I highly suggest it. It really will help your anti-aging game and bump it up a pretty good bit. So definitely put this in your cart today.